What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm your humble host Picaso. Thanks for joining in. And today, guys, we're taking a look at something that I think is pretty cool. It is a Chrooma Keyboard and some special effects that it brings to the table now. Let's take a look. So first off, we have the chameleon skin, which is a new skinned keyboard for Chrooma Keyboard, and yeah, it's okay. It's a nice light green colored keyboard, but that's not really why we're here though. Let's keep going. Next, there are a lot of themes that you can actually build, and basically just selecting different base colors, accent colors, you know, that personal feeling to designing your keyboard, getting it just the way you like it, you know, whenever you have to type a message, write an email, or just reply to something on social media, etc., etc. So I do like that feature as well. That chameleon skin keyboard theme that I showed you guys in the beginning there, that was green. I do apologize. It is an adaptive theme. Okay, so basically depending on whatever app you're in, it will change colors based on that, which is why it's called the chameleon adaptive skin. Okay, now on to the RGB theme, which is why we are all here, which is why I'm using Chrooma Keyboard after such a long time. Don't get me wrong, it's a great keyboard, but Gboard and the Gboard Magisk module is just amazing. There's just far more themes, etc., etc. But we are here for the RGB theme, and as you can see here, plenty of things going on here. What I really do like is that, of course, it's an RGB theme, and it's not just a flat color scheme. It does actually change while typing, which is cool. I like that. It is more of like a wave motion moving from left to the right, but regardless, it's a pretty awesome theme. You do have the ability to basically change like the font size. You can work with the open animations, which, as you see, I changed it from classic, which is slide, to circle reveal. You even have fade as well. You can color the navigation bar. I haven't changed any of that stuff really. You're able to set a whole bunch of things in here, which is really cool, but I'm definitely here for this RGB theme. It looks cool, it looks amazing. Yeah, if you're a gamer, if you play games on your phone, yeah, this theme on your phone is definitely for you. Now, if you have a Razer phone, on a different note, if you have a Razer phone and you don't have a theme like this, because I don't have a Razer phone, so I don't know, and they don't have a keyboard like this, here you go, throw this on your Razer phone and you're all good to go, man. The Asus ROG phone, if their keyboard isn't like this, there you go, throw that on there and you're set. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. We're just looking at the RGB theme for the Chrooma Keyboard. It is free. Of course, some of the themes are paid right now. The RGB theme is free. I believe there was something, either you had to write like a good comment or something like that, or give it a rating to get the RGB theme. I could be mixing it up with something else, another app, but I'm not really sure. But I didn't pay for it. Some of the things are premium, so keep that in mind. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up. Really appreciate it if you do. Your humble host Picasso. I'll see you in the next one. Rocking out with the RGB theme for Chrooma Keyboard. Peace. I'm out.